this is this panel right here, but on the inside, yeah. So on the inside of the car, I've got a rust hole on that one that gets into some of these stampings, circular stampings, and I just want the circular stampings so I don't have to try and recreate those, and I'll probably just end up using that much of it. Okay, this is the lower part of the passenger door. Got some rust in that lower edge. Let's look for that. So these are all part of that inside the inner and outer rocker. There's a tube that brings hot air from the back end of the engine up to your toes in the windshield. These are all braces that go through. The bottom of all my braces are rusted out, or the entire brace is practically gone. So now, this is not rusted out on mine, but I think I'm going to add. So, right down here, that's what that is, and mine's actually fine. It's got a little rust crack, but this side, you see, this one's bolted on. This side is welded on, and this is the side, really, if you're taking the steering box in and out, that it would be handy to have a removable. So I'm going to change this out to a removable one. It also will help with air conditioning plans in the future. I know, sacrilege, but we're going to do electric air conditioning on this car. Now, these, I'm pretty sure, let's go right here. Like that, maybe? And maybe they're up front here. No, I think these are the back. These go here. And that doesn't quite look right either, does it? Yeah, no, that's it. You can see this ugliness here. But I think this goes in here, goes deeper in, I think. And some of you are looking going, no, Chris, that's not where it goes. Believe me, I will be double checking before I use anything. Also, little corner pieces that if I were to try and hand form these myself, very nice. Now, I believe these are reinforcements behind the shock mounts. These being the shock mounts. I think, again, I'll double check everything. And then these, pretty sure this is the bump stops when the suspension bottoms out. Yeah, so you got one on each side, driver's side, passenger side. And these are seat mounts, or the seat rail mounts anyway. There. Yeah, you can see it's a double. Go like that. I can't remember. I think it has to do with a bumper mount. Yeah, was that back corner mount and bumper mount. This bumper got hit and pushed, made the crinkle and everything, and a crinkle in the middle that it mounts to. So let's put that. These are more seat mounts. Pieces of hat channel, or I can't remember what those go to. These are a few parts that Trevor's Hammerwork doesn't stock. They're the striker plate for my passenger side door is missing. Hardware associated with that. New rubber bumpers. So, but Trevor was nice enough to pick up some things at Stoddard for me and include them in the box. So, floor. It's also from Stoddard. Nice. Rear floor. And that's everything in the crate. There's a couple more things that Trevor was still working on, the rear parcel shelf, and there was something else that he's still going to ship to me. But we're in no rush. We have plenty here to work with, so that is pretty exciting to get all that in.